Hey everybody, Julian Siebert again. Today we talk about the body flow, and here you can see how I try to shape the body and on a nice way. So I think by using the natural curves and just shape it nicely, you can, let's say, support the body. Also on a back piece, for me it's super important to have a high contrast. That's why you always see that dark colors are next to light colors, or also cold to warm colors. For example, on her head you can see you have black hairs and a really light red, so you have the highest contrast possible. Every body is differently shaped, so you always have to look where you have nice curves and where you have curves where you should look to not place, for example, a face. So if you just see the face, here it's on a flat area. I don't take the face on a shoulder blade, where you could see you have the shape of the bone, and so you would distort the face. So after all, for me it's super important that back piece looks clearly and you can read it super fast from, let's say, 5 meters. So that's why I place everything like I place it, that you just have a high contrast, and by the contrast you can see everything super clear and super fast. So for example, you also have like light face, dark hairs, light background, and so you always have the highest contrast, and so you can see a back piece, let's say, from 10 meters, and you kind of get what it is. When you do, for example, a lady back piece, you should try to use the hourglass shape, so that the lower and the upper part are quite round, and to the hips it gets more tiny. So if you would use the shapes on the other way, you wouldn't support the body. So always think about like a kind of an hourglass shape, and that's the way how you can make a back piece look feminine and beautiful. If I'm doing a back piece for a man, I use quite the same principle. I just think about to do a bigger V shape. Let's say, you have like large shoulders and then the hips go down, so it's not like an hourglass, it's just like the top of an hourglass, so it looks like more masculine. So this was all about the body flow, I could tell you, and yeah, try it. Use some pencils, draw on your friends, and you can maybe kind of get the idea.